Hey there, happy morning junior children. Once again I welcome you all on yet another class of junior, and this time we are going to learn the EVS, environmental study. And since we are learning about animals, we had learned the habitats, we had learned the three main groups of animal, that is herbivore, carnivore and the omnivore. And today we are going to learn a new group of animal. Okay, but before that we are going to sing the rhymes. Okay, and the rhyme is available in the rhyme book. Okay, rhyme is available in the rhyme book. And what is the rhyme? This is the rhyme. Okay, the rhyme is all about nocturnal animals. Okay, shall we start the rhyme? On a moonlit night when the stars come out, there are nocturnal animals all about. Woo, 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 what do I say? A wise old owl is looking at me. Woo, 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 what do I say? A wise old owl is looking at me. On a moonlit night, when the stars come out, there are nocturnal animals all about. Meow, 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 what do I say? A big black cat is looking at me. Meow, 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 what do I say? A big black cat is looking at me. On a moonlit night when the stars come out, there are nocturnal animals all about. What do I say? A little badger's looking at me. What do I say? A little bat is just looking at me. On a moonlit night when the stars come out, there are nocturnal animals all about. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. What do I say? A big green frog is looking at me. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. What do I say? A big green frog is looking at me. On a moonlit night, when the stars come out, there are nocturnal animals all about. Squeak, squeak, squeak. What do I say? A garden door mouse is looking at me. Squeak, squeak, squeak. What do I say? A garden door mouse is looking at me. Okay, children, did you enjoy the rhyme, all of you? Yes? Okay, if not, play the video again and practice it. The rhyme is available in the rhyme book. Children, did you enjoy the rhymes? So, in between the rhyme, I had mentioned a word, nocturnal animals. So, did you know what is meant by nocturnal animal? Or have you ever heard about nocturnal animals? Do you know what kind of animal these are? Yes or no? Okay, I'll show you the picture of these animals. Okay, so what's this? It's a raccoon. See, it's a raccoon. Say, all of you, raccoon, raccoon. Okay, what's this? Owl. This one is owl, owl. What about this? Bat. It's a bat, bat. What's this? It's a dormouse. It's a dormouse. Mouse. It's a dormouse or the garden mouse. Okay. This one is frog. It's a frog. Frog. What's this? It's a cat. It's a cat. Okay. What's this? It's a badger. We call it as a badger. It belongs to the rodent group. That means it belongs to the big rat family. Okay, big rat family. It's badger. And one more picture I would like to show, and that is hedgehog. Look at this. It's a hedgehog. Hedgehog. It's a hedgehog. Okay. So these are some nocturnal animals. What are these? Nocturnal animals. So what is meant by nocturnal animals? Some animals eat only plants, they are herbivores. Some animals eat only flesh, they are carnivores. Some animals eat both plants as well as flesh or meat, and they are omnivores. Okay, what are nocturnal animals? Nocturnal animals are the animals that sleeps during the daytime and awake during the night and finds food finds food at the night time are called nocturnal animals. Okay, some animals, they sleep during daytime all day long. They sleep, and when the night comes, they wake up and they go all the places and they find food at the night time are nocturnal animals. Okay children, so did you understand what is nocturnal animals? Animals that sleep during the daytime and wakes up and awake in the night to find food at the night time are nocturnal animal. These animals have some special features. Okay, some have good eyesight, some have the powerful senses. They have the powerful senses that helps them to find the food. Some animals have good eyesight that helps them to find the food during the night time and hunt for the food in the dark time. Okay, I'm going to show you some pictures here in the chart. As you could see that the chart I had displayed with some nocturnal animals. So what are the animals? Owl. Okay, owl, cat, tree frog, dormouse, raccoon, badger, hedgehog, bat, all these are nocturnal animals. Children, these animals always sleep during the night time and when during the daytime, and when the night comes, no, they wake up and they go out to find for the food. They hunt for the food. For example, look at the cat. Where is the cat? This is the cat. Cat has a powerful eyes, okay, that helps them to find the food during the night time. Bats have extra sensitive ears that helps them to hear far echoes. Okay, they have that extra sensitive of ears. They could even hear far echoes. If someone is making a noise in the far away, this bat can easily listen to it. And animals such as owl and raccoon, they have big eyes that helps them to find the food, and then helps them to find the food and see things in the dark time. Okay, so these animals have the special features that helps them to find food and hunt for food, and the sense organs helps them to find food during the night time. Okay children, so today we have learnt about nocturnal animals. Okay, let's move on to the worksheet. Take out your worksheet, all of you. Take it out and turn to this. Today we are going to do this worksheet. You have to circle the nocturnal animals. Take out your crayons. Parent, please don't forget to write today's date and your kid's name in the worksheet. Today is 21st August. Okay, so what you have to do is take your crayon, circle the nocturnal animal. Today we have learned nocturnal animal. So owl. Is owl a nocturnal animal? Yes? Okay, then circle it out with the crayon. Good, finished? Zebra. Zebra is a nocturnal animal? No, it's not. How about mouse? Of course, mouse is a nocturnal animal. So, circle the mouse. Lion. Is lion a nocturnal animal? No, it's not. Bat. Yes, bat is a nocturnal animal. So, circle the bat. And cat. Of course, cat is also a nocturnal animal. Circle cat. So, what are the nocturnal animals? Owl, mouse, bat, cat. Owl, mouse, bat and cat. Okay children, so today we have learned another group of animal that is called nocturnal animals. And what does nocturnal animal do? They sleep during the daytime and wake up in the night time and find foods during the night time. Okay, these are nocturnal animals. Okay children, so until I meet you in the next new week, it's your auntie saying bye. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay at your home, take care of yourself. Okay children, bye and happy weekend.